Hey everyone, how's it going? Daryl here. As you may be able to tell, I'm super excited, and that is because for today's video, we're going to be going to Bay Area Maker Faire 2019. We're going to check out some of the 3D printing stuff that they have there, and it should just be a good time. So let's go! Hey, we made it! As you may have noticed, it was raining outside and everyone kind of rushed inside, so I couldn't really find a good spot to do an intro, so all you get is this Photoshop of me. Our first stop is going to be the Prusa Research booth. This is their SL1 resin printer, and believe it or not, this thing is actually printing right now. I believe it went on sale a week before Maker Faire. It comes in a kit that's $12.99 US or pre-built for $15.99 US. This is the CW one. This is the cleaning and washing station for use with the SL1. I believe it's $6.99 US. And take a look at this Prusa i3 Mark III that's been fully steampunked. From what I understand, the parts were actually printed on the SL1. Take a look at the control panel, just the gears and the painting. Absolutely beautiful. And take a look here at one of the Z motors. And here is the X carriage. Take a look at that cowl. That's pretty awesome. And the X motor end. Take a look at that rotating piece there, just the aging on it and the patina. Take a look at this clock and the gears. Just the general artwork that they've done to this machine is breathtaking. And I believe this was actually a gift to be given to test the following day.
It's Galaxy Black.
Here's an i3 Mark III's with multi-material upgrade performing a print. Take a look at some of these amazing prints off to the side, all done with the Mark III's with multi-material. Beautiful. Which also brought their lineup of filament. Take a look at all the colors of PLA that they brought. And also take a look at the winding on these things. It's absolutely perfect and it makes for a very beautiful presentation. Here's a lion that's been printed with their Mystic Brown PLA. Take a look at the shimmer on this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. And the same goes for this frog that's been printed in their Mystic Green PLA. Quick shot of a couple of machines that have been printed and assembled out of multiple moving parts. This is one of the more interesting booths that I ran across here at Maker Faire relating to 3D printing. The artists used 3D printing to create the blanks and then cast these shapes out of metal. Take a look at how many moving pieces these things have and just the articulation. It must have taken a lot of 3D printing and a lot of casting to make these things. Take a look at this unicorn. Just the amount of pieces in the neck alone must have taken quite a bit of 3D printing and casting. We'll go ahead and do a quick pan and take a look at some of the other items on the table, such as that spinal column that someone was playing with earlier. And here we are at the Snapmaker booth where they're showing off the Snapmaker 2 3-in-1 3D printer, laser cutter, and CNC machine. This is their machine with a 3D printing tool head attached. I would have gotten a shot of the laser cutter, but there wasn't much to show because they had it in an enclosure and there wasn't much to see. But here's a clip of the machine set up as a CNC. Look for them on Kickstarter. And here's a quick clip of the Toybox 3D printer. This may be a good entry point to get kids into 3D printing. Those of you that have the need to travel with your 3D printer, take a look at this foldable and portable 3D printer at foldy3d.com. Everything on this table is printed in recycled filament. More information is available at closedloopplastics.com. Hey, we're back from Maker Faire. I had a fantastic time and I hope you did as well. I walked away with a bunch of swag, but none of it as exciting as the filament samples that I got. This here is Prusa Orange Pet G. This is the same filament that they used to print the plastic parts for the Mark III printers. And I also walked away with a marble filament from Filament-PM. This should actually give us some really good stone-looking prints, so I'm really excited to try that out. But what I'm even more excited about are the 2 rolls of filament that I walked away with. The first of which being the Prussian Lipstick Red, and the second being the Prussian Galaxy Black. Both of these should give excellent results when printed, and I'm looking forward to reviewing these on the channel in a future video, so please stay tuned for those. Okay, so here's all that stuff that YouTubers are supposed to say at the end of their videos. You know, the stuff like, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you're interested in supporting what I'm doing here, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to ring that bell so that you'll receive notifications of when I post new content. So I'd say do all that stuff, and I will catch you next time.